How to permanently delete videos on iPhone. Start by opening up the Photos application on your phone. Here, you can view all the photos and videos on your phone. On this page, select the video that you want to delete from here. Then, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the delete icon as shown. Tap on Delete Video to confirm. You have now successfully deleted this video. Now, scroll down to the Utilities section and go to Recently Deleted. You will find the video you just deleted over here. Open the video again. Then, tap on the Delete button below. Tap on Delete from this iPhone to confirm. This will permanently delete this video and cannot be undone. You can repeat this to permanently delete other videos from your phone as well. Following these steps, you can permanently delete videos on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.